So in this tutorial, we learn how to create your first GitHub repository. So a repository is a place where you can store your codes or files of your project. I'll begin the process by logging in my GitHub account. Password. So if you don't have a GitHub account, click create an account and follow the simple steps and the account will be created. So let me sign in my GitHub account. So when you sign in your GitHub account, on the left side of the screen, click new. And first you have to give your repo a name. So first repo, the name is available. Next, a description, but it's optional. Say my first repo. So here you have to choose either public or private. When the repo is public, anyone on the internet can see. But when you set it to private, you can choose who can see and also commit to your repository. So I'll leave it to be public. Next, you have to initialize the repo with a README file. So a README file will assist you to write a long description for your project. And lastly, you can click create repository. And your repository has been created. You can also see a README file where you can write your description for your project. So that's how to create a repository. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education. Thank you.